Hello and welcome back to Steve's Monumental Adventure, and we are nearly at the end, episode 41, and we head to a location with two familiar faces you might know. We take a look around Beech Caves in Staffordshire.
That is 8,000 lumens, and it's going to be something.
Right, well we'll put that to use now then, won't we?
Well, I'll tell you what, since he's got the biggest light, Matty goes first.
Yeah. Mate, they call this Hell Cave, its nickname, right?
Okay.
Just because of the graffiti, it's just horrible.
Okay.
But beautifully done.
Oh, and the range has started as well.
Yeah.
The range just started.
Come into my cave. Won't you come on in? Come on in my cave. Come on, boys. Coming in.
1, 2, 3. There's the first one. Should go up. There we go.
There he is into the. Now, as a cave goes, this is quite a big one. Let's just take it. You got the big one on, Matty. How about that, mate?
That's all right. At least I can see. At least my audience can see me in my lights.
Look how that's all cut out. Look.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you said to me before I pressed record that this was once used by the military.
Yeah, military use, and then it's been used. I think as.
What was it used by the military for?
I think it was just storage. I don't think
Really?
of bomb storage or anything. But look at how it's
Are
been.
we talking like World War II?
Yeah, but
Right.
look at the roof and the pillars. Come on, admit it's pretty impressive, isn't it? Massive. Welcome to my cave. And a lot of films have been filmed in here.
What films would that be?
Look at that, look.
Yeah. Charlie's Anals. Charlie's Anals. That's been filmed here, isn't it?
Shaving Private Ryan.
Before I pressed record. Then when he was last here, he came for an explore and there's a bloke on the door saying, yeah, you can't come in there, you can't come exploring here.
What makes this? Yeah. So they were filming a porn movie in here. That is true. But look at the height of the ceiling.
Jesus.
It's epic, isn't it?
So this is a completely man-made.
Yep, completely man-made.
Right.
It's massive, isn't it?
Huge.
See the chair there? Look for the porn movie.
We need more cum. No, the horse's dick needs to be bigger than that.
Look at it though. I mean, actually, our cameras can't do this justice.
It's very expansive, completely different to the Knights Templar cave that I saw.
Apart from you don't have to climb through a rabbit hole.
Well, yeah. And oh no, you are in white. Yeah. Some things just don't change.
So yeah, anyway, this is Beech Cave.
It's absolutely filled with graffiti.
Dirt, yeah, it needs a clean up. See the word anal there straight away?
Oh, Anal, yes, that's one of the famous movies that's been filmed here.
Yeah, all the movies are here, all the big ones. Shaving Private Ryan, Charlie's Anals, Forrest Dump.
Forrest Dump! That's very fitting for this location, actually. Tony Wanks.
I mean, it's massive, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
I've got boobs here, I've got booby. I've got a penis as well on the wall with the cum shot.
I'd be very interested in actually what the military used this for.
Yeah.
So if anyone has any information, leave it in the comments below.
Yeah.
Let us know what the military used for back in the day.
I tell you what we'll all do. If we all come in a line over here, let's do.
All come in a line.
Yeah. Right, let's do the claustrophobia walk, right?
There's no way.
Right?
I am going to watch you do it though.
Right. I'm 6'2". It's not going to be long before I'm ducking down. All right, let's do it.
Off you go. I'll walk in a little bit with you.
Shit.
Watch your head. Does it get proper scrambly?
Yeah, and it says Eddie Snowball under here. Oh, look at it, mate. This is for all of you out there who are a little bit claustrophobic of the cave.
Alright, mate, yeah?
I'm alright, yeah. So let's go.
Steve, there's one for you if you want to get underneath that one. It's called Beech Caves.
What do they call it? Beech Caves, yeah. In the village of Beech outside Newcastle under Lyme. So what we're going to do now is we're going to walk up around the edge onto the other terrace. Is it me? Is it me, Brendan? Is he starting to look professional?
Oh, he's professional, right? Yeah. He's more professional than me.
He's got a rig, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's got everything he needs.
Okay.
Steve, all that, if he knows as well, that is all that we had.
Are you still filming, by the way?
Yeah.
Right, look at our different setups, okay? So this is Matty's setup. Proper professional, knows what he's doing. Okay?
Yeah.
He's got the whole thing, the media mod, lights, everything.
Yeah, and me, and I've got even smaller, and I've got the Osmo Pocket, so yeah, it's a different setup altogether, but that's what makes us individual. So,
Yeah.
and obviously it's clear he's a lot more money than us. Come on, poor Brendan. Anyways, we come up round the side, you can just see it's one massive outcrop of rock. At least they put some windows in. You can see the remains here of a floor of some kind here. This looks like we have some kind of entrance into here, the way this opens up here, that would have been most probably bricked up. Because I've got a tiled floor right here, and then we've got this, so I imagine this would have been the storage area below, and then this would have been offices here, because we've got quarried tiled floor here.
What's that big piece of metal there?
I don't know, mate, I don't know.
That looks like a tent pole.
It probably is, because I saw it before and I wanted to it was. And I quickly came to the conclusion it was a temple.
There's like a little sort of level change here. Yeah, tiles here as well, so we're on some sort of office area. God, you put down. I mean, I'm complaining about the office we've moved into. Imagine if this was your office. The area of Beech was laid down during the Triassic period from around about 252 to 201 million years ago. The sandstone is locally known as Keuper Sandstone. The site was first used as a quarry, and they used the stall and pillar method for the extraction. The stone from this quarry was used to build the ornate Trentham Hall in 1633. The area became known as Beechdale Quarry, but eventually when the quarrying ceased, it was later used for community talks and music events, and it was a popular spot for scouts on overnight stopovers. During the Second World War, the caves were out of bounds to the public, and it was used by the nearby ordnance factory at Swinnerton, but much later on it became very popular for ravers. Well, that was a short and sweet video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and look out for future videos.